Good morning to all the students. In the FFO, we are discussing the types of or the classifications of pump. So, then the centrifugal pumps, and then second is positive displacement pump. And positive displacement pumps are further classified into the reciprocating pumps, pistons pump, plunger pumps, etc. And rotary pumps, gear pumps, monopump. Then after we discuss the factors should be considering after before the selections of pump, or it is called that a choice of pump before the uh, before before the selections. So while selecting the pump, particular duty we have to consider. So the measurement of the pump performance is then capacity and overall efficiency. So there is an first types of pump is that centrifugal pump, and centrifugal pumps construction and working. Let's see it. First, construction or component part of centrifugal pump. We can see that. So let us see the construction part. So component parts of centrifugal pumps, which are having first uh, at the top, at the middle section, which is a blower or a impeller in the pump, which is connected to the electric motor, and electric motor is connected to the pumps, that means a shaft, and shaft is connected to the impeller. Then the direction of flow is in the this way, like anti-clockwise. And right hand side, it is the casing of the pump, that is the that means the body of the uh, outer body of the pump. And this one is the at the top, this one is the delivery valve. Before completed, uh, we do the suction pipe. So in the suction pipe, it having it having a suction head, and the sump is, that means a liquid reservoir, and the suction pipe, it should be deep at some height on the liquid reservoir. And at the bottom, exactly the bottom, what exactly do the foot valve or strainer at the end of the suction pipe. There is a some uh, what can I say, that it is a one type of screening material or a screens are adjust with this pipe, because of to not to suck the some leaves and some impurities and some particles. Okay. And right hand side, it is given that foot valve swing type, foot valve swing system. So that exactly full valve strain, it is given that. So exactly what happened here, if the suction is start, then automatically valve is opening condition, and when it is when it is stop, that means if there in electricity is stop, then uh, pump is not at a working condition, then automatically the valve is closing. Okay. And so the various parts are given that. So valve is, dotted line is indicating that the valve is in opening conditions, and the line should be represent the valve in a closed conditions. And then outer part, or the vertical line, indicates that valve body. Then black uh, black part is that valve seat, or this one is a rubber disc. Okay. So these are the component, and these types of pump we are already looking into the practical session. So that is what can which is used in. For example, ટુ સક્શન જે આપણે ઘરે પાઇપ જે આપણે મોટર સેન્ટ્રીફ્યુગલ મોટર યુઝ કરીએ છીએ, જે શું કરે છે, they are suction they are sucking water from the suctions line, and that it is transferred in the tank of overhead tank. ઘરે જે આપણે પાણીની મોટર વાપરીએ છીએ એ આ પ્રકારનું સેન્ટ્રીફ્યુગલ પંપ હોય છે, બરાબર. A pump which lifts a liquid from a lower level to higher level by the action of centrifugal force is called centrifugal pump. So centrifugal પંપની ડેફિનેશન આપી છે કે it is transfer liquid from lower level to higher level, okay, by the action of the flow, action of force. It is centrifugal force, okay, and it is called centrifugal pump. Centrifugal pumps are very widely used in the chemical and petroleum industries because of its many advantages, such as a simplicity of design, low initial cost, low maintenance, and flexibility of operations. So the centrifugal pump can be handled liquid of a wide range of property, and this pumps is widely used in industry because of the main advantages is that is uh, it is a it is the simplicity, low cost, low maintenance, and greater flexibility. So it is a wide range of property. It is equally suitable for handling of suspensions with a high solid content. It may be constructed from a wide range of corrosion resistance material, and it may be directly coupled to an electric motor as it operates at a high speeds. Okay. In the centrifugal pump, power of an outside source is applied to the shaft. An impeller rotated with a stationary casing, and the impeller blades in revolving produce a reduction in pressure and the eye of the impeller. So due to this, liquid flow into the impellers from the suction pipe, and the liquid is thrown out by the centrifugal action along the blades. હવે શોર્ટમાં કહીએ તો શું થશે, ઇલેક્ટ્રિક મોટર ફરશે તો જે સેન્ટ્રીફ્યુગલ પંપનું જે ઇમ્પેલર છે એની આઈસ છે, દેટ ઇઝ ધ સેન્ટર પાર્ટ that is connected with electric motor, and so that is centrifugation starts and centrifugal force is occurring, so that will be it will be a suction of water, and then it is sent it to the thrown out a high level. The liquid is thrown outward by the centrifugal actions along with the blades. As a result of high speed rotation, liquid acquires a high kinetic energy. The kinetic energy acquired is then converted into pressure energy, where it is leaves the blade tips and the liquid passes to the volume chamber. Finally, it is discharged through the outlet of the pump. This action of the centrifugal force pump is shown in figure. Okay, જે આપણે અહીંયા જોઈશું. Now, so in the centrifugal pump, we have to main focus on the impellers. All these things is happening on the impeller. Without impeller, it was not possible. So the impellers are the main key role for the centrifugal pump. Impeller, it is a wheel or a rotor that is provided with a series of curved blade or vanes. જે આપણને ખબર છે, બરાબર, કે જુદા જુદા પ્રકારના ઇમ્પેલર્સ હોય છે જે કર્વ બ્લેડ અથવા ફ્લેટ બેન્ડના હોય છે. It is mounted on a shaft which is coupled to electric motor. જે શાફ્ટ સાથે જોઈન્ટ કરવામાં આવે છે અને એ શાફ્ટને કોની સાથે કનેક્ટેડ હોય છે? ઇલેક્ટ્રિક મોટર સાથે. Which is an electric motor, it is a external source of energy. Okay. The blades or vanes are shaped in such a way that the flow within the pump is smooth as possible, and the impeller is the heart of centrifugal pump impellers type. And the other impeller types are open impeller, semi-open impeller, and closed or shrouded impeller. So these are the three types of impellers. Okay, which is open, semi-open, and third one is the shrouded or a closed impeller. Okay, so let's see that the open impeller has the blade fixed to central hub, એટલે કે સેન્ટ્રલ શાફ્ટ હોય ને એની સાથે ફિક્સ હોય. Such impellers are suitable for pumping liquid containing suspended solid like paper pulp and sewage extractor. So these are the open impellers. And the right hand side is the semi-open impellers. And the bottom one is that a shrouded or a closed type impeller. So main difference in the impellers is that we can see that okay, the impeller is in the open impeller, the shape is in like a triangle sections, whereas in semi-open માં શું છે half. So the closed impeller has the blade held between the two supporting plates and shrouded and the shrouds, that is crown plate versus blade base plate. બરાબર, એટલે કે બેઝ પ્લેટ વર્સિસ ક્રોન પ્લેટ સાથે કનેક્ટેડ હોય. બરાબર, એટલે કે શું હોય છે, આ જે શાફ્ટ છે, આ જે નીચેનો જે ભાગ છે ને એ શું હોય છે, બેઝ પ્લેટ હોય છે. ઓકે, આ છે ને એ બેઝ પ્લેટ છે અને આ શું છે, ક્લોઝ પાર્ટ. સિમિલર ટુ આની અંદર પણ શું છે, જે બ્લેક જે પાર્ટ છે ને, બરાબર, જે ડાર્ક બ્રાઉન આ જે ભાગ એ શું છે, બેઝ પ્લેટ, અને આ જે પાર્ટ છે એ શું છે, જે કર્વેચરવાળો એ સેમી ઓપન ઇમ્પેલરવાળો ભાગ છે. બરાબર. સો બેઝ પ્લેટની અંદર the impeller provide better guidance for the liquid and it is more efficient, and this types of impeller is suited for pumping clear liquids containing no suspended particles, dirts and etc. Okay, and the semi-open impellers has only one plate. This is base plate and no crown plates. Okay, so in other words, it has a plate on one of side of blades or vanes. Such impellers are suitable for liquid containing semi-solid particles or dirt. Semi-solid open part impeller has the one plate. It is a blade, base plate, and no crown plate. It has the plate. One side of the blades are available. Then third one is the viscous liquid or liquid containing solid. Open or semi-open type impellers are used, and the most efficient impeller is closed or shrouded type. Okay, this is the more efficient and widely used. Then the impellers may be single suction type or double suction type. In the former type, the liquid enters the impeller from one side, while the later type the liquid enter from the both side. Okay, जो બે સક્શન હોય છે ને એ ટાઈપની અંદર, બરાબર, કે જે બંને સાઈડથી સક્શન કરે અને એટ ધ થર્ડ ટાઈપમાં શું કરે છે, એન્ટર થાય છે. Then next we have to discussing in the designing about the casing. So એ જે એની ફરતે જે કેશિંગ એટલે કે એની બોડી કઈ રીતે આપણે સેન્ટ્રીફ્યુગલ પંપની બોડીઝને ડિવાઈડ કરી આપણે મેડઅપ કરી શકીએ, બરાબર. સો એના વિશે આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરની અંદર ડિસ્કસ કરીશું કે ડિફ્યુઝર ટાઈપ રિંગ કેસિંગ હોય અથવા તો વોલ્યુટ પંપ વિથ વોર્ટેક્સ ચેમ્બર હોય, એની અંદર વોર્ટેક્સ ક્રિએશન થતું હોય, અથવા તો વોલ્યુટ પંપ, બરાબર. તો આ પ્રકારે એના જુદા જુદા શું છે ટાઈપ છે, તો એ આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં ડિસ્કસ કરીશું.